Hello, I'm Klaus Andersen, and here with the trade of the day. Today is the 8th of November 2018. This is the DAX on a 5-minute time frame. So this is what I marked as the trade of the day. There were a lot of trades in here today. This one gave a breakout to the downside and a little more points. So that's why I picked this trade. Also, I'm gonna just talk about if any of you saw Al Brooks' latest video. There's a bit on opening patterns up here that I'm gonna brush on after I discuss the trade of the day. So the trade of the day was a short. We had a sell-off from the open, sideways trading into a small bull channel right here. We had counting this as a double top, then that's the first test, second test, third test. That's a 3-push wedge pattern, and that's a good time to begin looking for a potential breakout of this range. So we had this trade in here, and I'm just going to drop down to the 1-minute time frame to show you something. We had a breakout here, so that's a spike pattern, a breakout and a channel, and a 1, 2, 3 push pattern. Look at this exhaustive bar right here, and double top, and then sell bar, breakout bar from this higher formation right here. And that compares to, I just finished another video on legs, that compares to this leg we had on the 15-minute time frame right here. We had a spike, a channel, and a exhaustive bar in the end of the trade, and then a double top pattern and a sell-off. Just the repeat pattern on a smaller time frame. We traded down into this range, so potentially we're going to trade out to the low side. That's what happened, and that's the always in direction for today. And also it's a failed breakout for the bulls above these highs right here. Tended to break out, bad follow through, made a sell signal bar here instead. It's a good signal bar, closed on the lows. Also the next bar was a bull bar, but it also closed near the lows right here, and that's just a good place to look to go short. So also this range right here, we were in the highs of this range, so that's where we got this sideways trading. You want to look to sell near the highs, and you want to buy near the lows. Against this trade was the bull channel here. We have this bull channel here on a bit higher time frame, and potentially we just touched on this. Potentially price would go up again, and this would be a breakout pullback. It wasn't. I liked it for a short, considering the trading earlier than today. Also, we had a lot of sideways trading, but still high up the trading range. I like this trade. So target, we have the open move right here. If we get a measured move down, then that's going to be down to around there. If we get a 100% expansion of this range, then well, if you get it to that low right there, I think these lows are more representative, but that's testing the 500 area. So 11,500 would be a nice target for the 100% expansion, and just below for the measured move. And just quickly looking at the open today. So this bar right here, that's the open bar in the DAX today. This bar right here is the open bar in the DAX today. We had traded down, traded up, closed near the middle. Not really a signal bar for an open trend. Then we got this large bear bar, closed near the lows afterwards. It reversed up, and then you got a bull bar that closed near the highs up here. So that's an open reversal, and as Al talked about, sometimes in the first hour or two you get a double top for a second reversal on the open. This is a open reversal that fails with this double top. You have perhaps you have a triple top up here. You have the high of the day right here on the open. And then you had this high and then trade it down, trade it up again. So a micro double top up here and a double top with the open high over there, and that would have been a good trade as well. Would have liked it even better if we just traded higher and then closed on the lows without these tails below the bars right here. So that is the trade of the day, and a quick look at the open setup over here. I'm Klaus Andersen. Have a nice trading week.